Hello everyone, my name is Anantpreet kaur. So today I am your teacher for your Abacus tutorial 1. You think I am too small, but teachers cannot be of any age limit. Teachers can be of age 7, age 6, age 10, of any age. It doesn't matter about that. So let's start. First, before watching this video, you need to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications and more tutorials of Abacus. So first, let me introduce you myself. I'm your teacher Anantpreet kaur for your Abacus lessons, and today I'm going to teach you the introduction of Abacus. So if you will learn the introduction, then you will know everything about Abacus. So let's get started. Come on. So a normal basic abacus looks like this. As you can see, it has brown beads on it. But basically the abacus can be of many sizes, of many types. But you need to use this abacus for your normal abacus tutorial. So first let me introduce to abacus. Abacus is a tool to do mathematics questions like abacus, like addition and subtraction, division, multiplication. First we only need to learn addition and subtraction. Then we will learn multiplication and division on abacus. You will learn addition and subtraction mentally also, but in the next lessons when you will come to higher lessons. So this is your tutorial 1. So welcome to the tutorial 1, introduction to abacus. So, abacus are of many types, but today we are going to learn addition and the numbers on abacus. Abacus looks like this. As you can see, this is the number. There is a dot. You can see white dot. So you only need to start doing the numbers from the white dot. So our basic place to start the addition subtraction is this place. So 1 is this number. 2 will be adding one more bead. 3 will be adding one more bead in 2 beads. 4 will be adding one more bead in the 3 beads. And you think, where is the 5? There are only 4 beads over here. So you can see the upper bead. This is the 5 bead. So if you will only put this bead down, so this will be the 5 bead. Okay. You can see, I think so. But you need to put your abacus on the position. Let me just set the camera. Yes. Yeah. As you can see, this is the abacus. Yeah, this is the abacus. So you need to put it in the sleeping position like this and set it like this. Like this with your 2 fingers. Like this at all the 5 beads upper side. And the lower side with all your 4 fingers. And then what you need to do, this is 5 and you add one bead at the lower side is 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now you need to learn to calculate the numbers from 1 to 9, because in the 10 we will learn in the next lesson. So if you want to do 1 plus 9, if you want to do, I think so, 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 5. So what you will do, that I told you that 5. No, if you want to do 2 plus 2, it's easy now. 2 and plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Sorry, actually, it's little bit difficult for you to understand because my abacus is not stable. But you need to do it nicely. I hope you understood, because you are genius. I know your future. You could be genius in the abacus. So please don't be sad about it. I'm really sorry. So have you understand? I am asking you questions. Sorry if comment sections are turned off. You can also but how you can tell me answer, but it's okay. You need to keep the answers in your mind. I'm saying you questions which you need to solve. I'm saying you to solve the questions 2 plus 2. Note down the first question. And note down the second question. 1 plus 1. Note down the third question. Okay, only 2 questions are for today's tutorial. Then we will learn more things. So that's it. That is all for today's tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial too. So bye bye.